People are earning $300 a day doing something that looks almost illegal, but it's 100% legit. They're using AI to automate tasks that business owners are too busy to do, and they're getting paid every single day for work they don't even touch manually. If you've ever wanted a simple way to make money online without showing your face, without selling anything, and without spending hours working, this video is about to open your eyes. Welcome back to the Bright Mind Show. Today, I'm revealing a powerful AI automation method beginners are using to earn $100, $200, even $300 per day. And I'll walk you through every step so you can start this week. AI automation means letting AI tools do repetitive work for businesses so they never have to do it again. Here are tasks people are automating right now: responding to customer messages, posting social media content, sending reminders, writing follow-up emails, and organizing leads. Businesses waste hours doing these tasks, and AI can do all of it automatically. Your job? Set up the system once, and you get paid for it. The best tools for automation are extremely beginner-friendly: ChatGPT, Zapier, ManyChat, and Make.com. These tools connect apps together. For example, when someone messages a business, AI replies instantly. When someone books an appointment, AI sends a confirmation message. When someone asks for pricing, AI sends a full breakdown. You don't need coding. You don't need tech skills. You just choose triggers and actions. It's drag and drop. Make.com is a visual-first, no-code platform that facilitates building and orchestrating AI automation and AI agents in real time. It boasts over 3,000 pre-built app integrations, including popular services like OpenAI, HubSpot CRM, Salesforce, and Slack. The platform supports a wide range of business functions, including marketing, sales, operations, customer experience, finance, IT, people, and workplace productivity. Success stories highlight substantial benefits. GoJob reported up to a 50% increase in yearly net revenue. Another company tripled its AI support resolution rate, and Franklin Covey saved hundreds of staff hours by using Make.com. Make.com also offers a free plan with no credit card required and no time limit. Let me show you a real example. A gym receives hundreds of messages asking, "What are your membership prices? Do you have a trainer? What are your timings?" They can't reply to everyone instantly, and they lose customers every day. But with automation, you set up a system where AI reads the message, detects the question, and replies instantly with accurate info. You build this once in ManyChat or Zapier. It takes around 20 minutes, looks extremely professional, and businesses love it. This is why they pay well. You can find clients anywhere: Instagram DMs, local businesses, Facebook groups, or Fiverr. Message business owners with something simple. I help businesses automate customer replies using AI so you never lose a client. Want a free demo? Create a sample automation with their info and send it as proof. This is the easiest way to close clients because they see the value instantly. Automation setup packages typically cost $100 for basic automation, $200 for advanced automation, and $300 for full customer support automation. Since each setup takes around 20 to 30 minutes, you only need one client per day to hit $300. And once they trust you, many business owners ask for extra work every month, giving you long-term income. And that's exactly how beginners make $300 a day using simple AI automation systems. This method is real, it's in high demand, and you can start as soon as today. If you want more powerful AI income methods like this, subscribe to The Bright Mind Show. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.